Now it's time to start today's strategy. First of all, we need to go to the TradingView website. Remember, you must have an account to use the features of this site. The strategy I want to introduce to you today consists of two indicators from TradingView that are completely free. So let's go ahead and introduce them to you. The first indicator we're going to use is called the TMMS oscillator. Now we need to go to the indicators section and type TMMS oscillator in the search box. Once you find it, click on it to add it to the chart. The TMMS oscillator, known as Trading Made More Simpler, is a simple and practical technical analysis tool designed by combining two oscillators, stochastic and RSI. The main goal of this indicator is to make the decision-making process in trading easier for you. This indicator has different sections. Green zone, bullish. When the indicator enters this zone, it indicates buy opportunities. Red zone, bearish. This zone indicates the start of a downtrend and an opportunity to sell. Gray histogram. If the histogram is gray, there is no signal from the market, and it's recommended not to trade in this situation. Whole moving average. This feature helps you better identify the trend direction. Green dots on the zero line indicate a bullish trend. Red dots on the zero line indicate a bearish trend. Now we need to know how to use this indicator. If the zone is green, think about buy trades. If the zone is red, there is a possibility of a downtrend, so it's better to consider selling. If it's gray, the market lacks clear conditions, and it's better to wait for now. Now we need to change its settings, so let's enter its settings and make the necessary changes. Please ensure that you perform these changes correctly. Well, let's move on to the second indicator. Adding this indicator is meant to increase our accuracy and improve our win rate. So, to edit the second indicator, we need to go back to the indicators section and type HLOTT in the search box. Once you find it, just click on it to add it to our chart. Now I need to tell you how to use this indicator. This indicator is an advanced version of OTT optimized trend tracker with significant changes compared to the original version. In this version, there are two lines named HOTT derived from the highest price and LOTT derived from the lowest price, which are calculated using these new values instead of closed values by default. Now, let me tell you about the main features of this indicator. Absence of support line moving average. In this version, the support line that existed in the default OTT version has been removed. Flat zone. The area between HOTT and LOTT lines is known as the flat zone. In this area, the developer recommends that no trades should be made. When candles close above the HOTT line, the indicator shows bars in turquoise, indicating the start of an uptrend signal. When candles close below the LOTT line, the bars change to fuchsia, indicating a downtrend. The flat zone is also highlighted separately to draw more attention to neutral market conditions. Now we need to go into the settings to make the necessary changes. You need to be very careful because even the smallest mistake can ruin your win rate and mislead you to enter your trades. Now I need to tell you how to enter a trade, but before that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Let's start with a buy order. First of all, we need to look for a buy signal. Once we find it, we must ensure that we are in an uptrend, meaning that the histograms are green. When both conditions are met, we know we have found a suitable entry point. Now we need to look for a level where we can put our stop loss. For this, we just need to find the last swing low and place our stop loss a little below that level. This way, we understand that if the price drops below this level, the overall trend will change. Now we enter the trade, and for the take profit, we just need to consider a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Now just wait for the trade to reach the take profit and close it. For a sell order, we first need to look for a sell signal. After that, we must ensure that we are in a downtrend and that the histogram is red at this point. When these two conditions are met, we realize that we have found a suitable entry point. Now we should set our stop loss a little above the last swing high and also consider a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 for the take profit. Now we need to wait for the trade to close with a profit. Well, that's it for today's strategy. As I mentioned, this strategy works on the 5-minute time frame and is suitable for traders who scalp and one-day trades to reach profit quickly and close in a short time. I was able to achieve good results after 1 month, which I will show you on this page. This strategy provided me with between 5 to 15 entry points per day, which was very good, but keep in mind that this number is for the whole 24 hours. After that, I reached these results and the win rate I achieved in this number that you can see. I would love for you to write in the comments what win rate you were able to achieve and on which symbol it was. By the way, don't forget to check out the 2 videos that are suggested for you as well. I hope you make profits, and until the next video, goodbye!